Today, we're diving into the world of mobile filmmaking with a look at 3 of the best filmmaking apps available for Android. So, let's get started. Filmmaker app. This app caters to both beginners and experienced filmmakers by providing a user-friendly interface packed with versatile features. It allows users to edit videos with a variety of tools such as trimming, merging, and adding music. The app supports multiple resolutions, including HD, and offers a range of themes, transitions, and text options. Additionally, users can easily export their projects to social media platforms, making it ideal for quick sharing and professional-looking results. PowerDirector. A powerhouse in mobile video editing, PowerDirector is known for its robust features and intuitive design. It offers a timeline interface that allows for precise editing and a multitude of editing tools such as slow motion, reverse, and chroma key. With a library of effects and transitions, users can enhance their videos creatively. PowerDirector also supports 4K video editing, making it suitable for more advanced projects. Users appreciate its regular updates that introduce new features and improvements. ShotFX Special Effect. Focused on adding exciting visual effects, ShotFX is perfect for filmmakers who want to elevate their projects with creative enhancements. The app provides a variety of effects that can be easily applied to videos, allowing for customization and experimentation. Users can choose from effects like animations, overlays, and color adjustments. Its straightforward interface makes it accessible for users at all levels, and it complements other editing apps well by allowing users to add final touches that make their videos truly stand out. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the Filmmaker app, PowerDirector, and ShotFX Special Effect has inspired you to take your mobile video editing to the next level. Until next time, happy filming.